Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to watch Beanie at the ABS-CBN Ball 2025 red carpet. Super excited akong makita yung outfit nila, yung makeup nila, and for sure, alam natin yung visual nila, grabe mamaya. So, first time kong ma-witness yung rampa ng Beanie sa ABS-CBN Ball kasi yung mga previous ABS-CBN Ball, cut niya lang talaga yung inaabangan ko doon. So, ngayon, may panibago na akong aabangan, yun ay ang Beanie. Kung may performance man sila na malabo namang mangyari kasi parang party to ng mga artist, diba? If ever lang na may performance sila, yun, i-video ko din yun. Pero, if wala naman, yung mga short video nila during the ball is hindi ko na i-react. So, ayan, dito lang sa red carpet yung plan ko na i-video at saka kung may performance man sila. So, sana complete din sila later kasi di ba sa ganap nila kagabi, hindi sila complete kasi may sakit si Maloy, si Lucky. So, sana ngayon magaling na siya. And sana complete sila. Super excited na talaga makita yung outfit nila. Oh my God. Oh my gosh guys, ito sakto-sakto si Maloy. Sakto-sakto guys, time check. 8:28. So, oh my gosh, akala ko late na ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda na Maloy! Sakto mga kulat din ngayon. Oh my gosh.
What are you most
Sabi
excited
sa
for
nagsasalita
the
sa
ball
gilid,
tonight?
pero oh my God, I guess, isa-isa silang rarampa. Oh my God, ang ganda ni Maloy.
First time niya as a
Yeah,
couple together.
that
Yeah.
definitely.
Oh my God.
I'm happy
We're visual.
Kids are ready for that, but then definitely to see everyone.
Main visual.
It's been a while.
Ang ganda nila. Oh my God, si Maloy
Yeah, it's been a
kasaya.
long time. So
Ito na. Hindi ko pala alam guys kung mabablock to sa YouTube. If ever, lalabuan ko na lang kasi yung original sa Patreon ko i-upload.
thank you, guys.
Oh my gosh, sunod, sunod,
Yeah,
sunod,
ganun.
sunod, sunod, sunod. Sunod,
Thank you,
sunod.
Gretchen.
Sunod.
And yes, you are seeing currently on your screen the girls of
it's a color.
Beanie have arrived.
Oh my gosh, her
we saw
hair.
Maloy, we saw Aya,
Oh my God, ang
As
ganda
a
ni
Bloom,
Colette.
I am so happy to see them.
Oh
This
my
is
God.
Super Bloom.
And I love that they're all getting their own moments.
Colette,
Blooms
nagago mo.
magingay na.
Ang sarap magmura
Send
pero
your tweets. Use the
Her
hashtag,
hair.
hashtag
Oh my God.
ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Now you see.
And of course, they're all wearing Michael Cinco.
Oh my God, guys,
Commend
gusto.
Michael Cinco for doing all of these dresses.
yes, and their stylist, their longtime stylist from the
Oh
start.
my
until
God,
now,
Colette.
Sara Villanueva. I feel it was no question for them to go Michael Cinco because the statement they wanted to make was our Filipina girls going global.
That's
and
true.
who
Right.
other designer
Wow!
has done that as
May
well?
pa-back
Yeah,
shot.
Mr. Michael
Oh
Cinco.
la
So they
la,
all
oh my
showed
God.
different spring
Shit,
colors.
ang ganda!
Colors
Sobrang
of the
bagay
eyes,
kay siya yung
things,
short hair niya, tapos
a lot
parang
of
wet
glitters
hair
also on
din.
the
Oh my
eyes.
gosh,
Very
ang
Thai,
ganda!
again, Korean-inspired makeup.
Hindi
But
ko
it's
na
like
narinig yung
a
sinasabi
more
ng host ko.
matured
Yeah,
version
Saba
of
ko na lang
Beanie.
mamaya.
That's true. We've seen them over the years.
Oh my
I
gosh,
remember
Master
seeing
Joe,
these
sobrang
girls.
Laguna!
They're all younger than me,
Wow,
but even
the
younger.
outfits! Ang ganda ng
Before,
mga gowns
from their
nila!
first song up until now, it's just great. We get to celebrate
Taray
them
ng
as
hair.
they trek on their journey.
Gusto
and
ko yung
where they've
makeup
always
nila
been,
dito, like sobrang
waving
light
that
lang,
Filipino banner
fresh,
world
hindi makapal.
wide.
ganun.
Yes, from
Oh my
Stacey
God!
to Sheena to
Mika.
Joanna.
Oh my
And
God!
of course, Mika.
I like
Oh my
that
God,
there's
the way
a
sila
variation of
lumakad.
silhouettes,
Oh my
no?
God!
Parang there's always something new.
Fairness, Michael Cinco. And I believe this just, all the gowns just
Wow, Mika Lim.
Oh, wow.
like very recently, fit right away. And eto na sila.
Oh, wow. Look at Gwen giving
Serving.
super
Wow.
model vibes.
Modal.
Wow, look at that gown.
I remember, I
The
may be wrong
gown.
in this, so Blooms, please. Forgive me. if I,
Wow.
But I do believe that Gwen, if she wouldn't be a performer, she would be a model. And I think,
I
eto na,
agree to that.
she can, and I think
Of
she
course.
would as
Gwen,
well.
the hair, the makeup.
But of course, with Gretchen right
Ba't
now, we
ganun
have
yung
the
dating ng
girls
Papilin?
of
Sobrang
Beanie
pogi pa din kahit
happening
naka-gown.
later on as well.
And gracing us
Madam?
with their presence are the latest ambassadors for Bello Advalite. Beanie, with their busy presence are
Beanie happening later on. Gretchen right now, we have the girls of Beanie happening later on as well.
global
Oh my God, may
Unstoppable
interview sila.
confidence
Woo!
thanks
By the way, is Madison Square.
That is
that's
major.
the Madison Square
my God!
in New York City, but
Si
they're not
Colette.
in New York. They're here in Manila with Gretchen Pulido. Go ahead, Gretchen.
Mahiwag ang salamin. Diba? Sila agawan ng moment. But guys, yes, I am with Beanie. How are you, girls? Michael
Di
Cinco,
pa nagtabi
everyone
yung
is
Mikayat na,
smashing
Colette!
Michael Cinco.
Tsaka Jolia
Sabi
Tam,
niyo ba na
bebe!
ganito yung hue ng color niyo for spring
Kulay,
formal?
ang ganda.
Actually, it was our visual director, Ate Aika Villanueva, who coordinated with the color. And
Complete
also,
sila and sana magaling na si Maloy.
Alam niyo, second ball niyo to,
Oh my
diba?
God,
Anong
ang ganda
pinaka-excited
talaga.
kayo tonight? And grabe, from the last ball to this ball, ang dami nangyari sa live niyo. What are you most thankful for and to all the fans?
Yes, pasahan ng mic na ayaw ni Mika.
Siyempre, grateful ako sa views namin, diba, na talagang all-out support. And talagang kanina umaga pa lang, nakikita na namin sa social media na excited na silang makita kami dahil nga second ball na namin. And excited kami to socialize with other kapamilya artists. Kasi parang for a long time ngayon na lang ulit kami mag-meet.
Pero gaano
Guys,
ka
sorry sa
nabago
scream
yung
ko,
buhay
pero
niyo
si
from the time ng last ball and this ball?
Ako, grabe, parang feel na feel talaga namin na kapamilya talaga
Napasahan
kami.
ng
Ito
mic.
yung parang dati inaabangan lang namin to sa palabas, sa mga TV. Pero ngayon, isa na kami sa mga rumarapa.
Sana
First
may
time po
picture
namin
yung Beanie
rumapa
with
mag-isa.
Kat.
Like, parang kinakabahan po kami sobra. Pero ayun, thankful. For every kapamilya.
May moment talaga. And lastly, may world tour kayo.
Yes, we have our upcoming world tour this May to June. So, abangan niyo po kami mga kapamilya,
Yes,
mga
Colette,
groups
yung
all
tingin
over
mo.
the
Happy
world.
Macolette Day. Mikaya, it's not
Maraming salamat.
Mikaya without Macolette, I
Evelyn
guess.
Biaga, back to you guys.
Wow!
Doing the hand-
So, ayan guys, that's it for Beanie at the red carpet. If ever may performance sila, i-video ko na lang. Pero grabe yung visual, yung outfits. Oh my gosh, like super ganda nilang lahat. Oh my gosh, bading na bading ako kay Colette. Like yung hair ni Colette, yung... Oh my God, guys, I cannot. Pag nag-post si Colette sa Instagram nung look na yan, oh my God! Like, ipapaposter ko yan, ididikit ko dito sa wall ko talaga, guys. Mark my words. Kasi, oh my God, ang ganda ni Colette! I cannot! Lahat naman sila, guys, magaganda, of course. Pero, syempre, iba yung tama sa akin ni Colette kasi siya yung bias ko. So, tapos parang, hindi ko alam kung wala siyang extension, kung totoong hair niya yon or nagpagupit siya or what, pero I love it kasi grabe yung, alam mo yung layer ng hair, tas yung color, tapos oh my God, bagay na bagay kay Colette, pero hinga. Grabe guys, yung visual, hindi pa din ako makaget over kasi 'di ba? Oh my God. Tapos isa-isa silang nag-shine dun sa red carpet. Talagang binigyan nila yung isa't isa ng time to shine. Yung alam mo yon para may mga solo pictures din sila and alam mo yung moment na lumakad sila sa red carpet. And then nakakatawa talaga yung pasahan ng mic. Hindi talaga yun mawawala sa mga interview ng Beanie. Actually, in-expect ko dun sa color ng gowns nila is yung representative color nila. Kasi may mga iba din naman na naka-color na outfits, naka-colored outfits. So, ayan, pero yung kanila, simple lang, pero yung dating sobrang grabe kasi, di ba, the way nila i-deliver or i-rampa yung gown nila, grabe talaga, guys. I'm so sorry, pero hindi ako magsasawa pag-usapan yung kay Colette. Colette, mahal na mahal kita, pagsisilbihan, mamahalin, papakasalan, luluhuran. Ano pang gusto mo, ibibigay ko sa'yo, wag lang pera, Pero ayun ata yung need ni Colette, yung pera, base sa story niya nung isang araw. So, ayan, kidding aside, grabe, sobrang ganda ng Beanie and I can't wait na mapanood yung mga moments nila dito sa ABS-CBN Ball. Of course, hindi ko na i-video yon kasi for sure, mga short clip lang yon sa X, yung mga makikita ko or sa Instagram nila, ganan. Pero if ever na mag-perform sila, ayun yung i-video ko ulit. So, sana may mag-upload if ever. Pero feel ko naman di sila magpe-perform kasi grabe yung mga outfits nila para i-perform. Unless magpapalit sila ng damit, diba? So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!